Okay guys, it is day 5 and still aboard Icon of the Seas. So right now I want to show you guys the Overlook area. It's called the Overlook. It's basically the front part of the ship, and it's very nice, and if you're not here early enough, you will not get a seat up in here. It's kind of like a lounge where people can just lounge around and look straight out ahead or forward as the ship is moving. So let me turn it around so you guys can see what the Overlook area looks like. So basically this is the Overlook area. As you can see, there's lots of chairs, lounges. It's really nice. It's in like this glass dome type area. If you've seen what the Icon of the Sea ship looks like, then you can see that this is the front part of the ship, the front part of the dome. It has this glass like area here, and it goes
well, really ain't that big of a deal, because like even though you can see, like normally all you see is water.
There's the hubby. So again, this area is called the Overlook. A lot of people know about it, some people don't. But this is where you would find a hooked specialty restaurant. And it is in the Aquadome, so the Aquadome market and stuff is through here as well. But that's it guys, this is the Overlook area. So if you're ever aboard Icon of the Seas, make sure you come check out this area here. Alright, y'all ready? Babe. Okay, so we actually have an excursion planned today. We have to meet at our meeting point at 9:45. And so that's where we are heading right now. Getting ready to get off the ship to go do our excursion, our tour. Oh, let me show you one more thing, guys. Hold on. Sorry, I'm all up in the camera. And there's also extra seating up here. So there's a little stairs, extra seating. And we are at St. Thomas today. So the little islands and stuff you're seeing out there, that's St. Thomas. And that's where we're about to go explore. Again, if you ever come on Icon of the Seas, if you can, I would definitely recommend this ship. It's Royal Caribbean's newest cruise ship at the moment, the biggest one that is out there. Besides Utopia of the Seas, that's getting ready to set sail this year as well. But I just wanted to show you that. Let me show you the Aquadome Theater. This is where they do the water shows. Here is Hook Specialty Dining Restaurant inside of the Aquadome. Got the Aquadome Market over there. We have the Royal Caribbean store right here. When I tell you all that stuff is pricey, you look at that thousands of dollars for Royal Caribbean's jewelry. And it's real. But it's pricey. Alright, so we're getting ready to go down to the gangway to get off the ship. I'll check you guys later.